Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm back. I was gone for a minute. I took a little time off for a vacay, and I had a lovely time traveling around the US of A, mostly the Midwest, but that is a time for another story. I got to see some people that I've met through YouTube in person. It was very, very cool. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today is part of my declutter series, Should It Stay or Should It Go? And today we are going to be looking at the Purple Haze palette from Huda Beauty. And it is a beautiful palette, but do I need it? I have so many purple palettes. Is this a necessity? I don't know. This is also going to be a giveaway video, so somewhere in the middle of the video I will mention a phrase and use the words "enter me" in that phrase, and you'll be entered in for a great mysterious prize of pretty good size prize. Just to thank you guys for listening and watching and being around. I just appreciate you all so much. So I'll be doing a giveaway with some really cool stuff. It's going to be a mystery bag for you. It will not be a mystery to me because I'll be putting it together. So without further ado, let's make a look or two with this beautiful palette. It's probably going to be just the one look though, because I've got a special occasion, and we love to have a special occasion here on the channel. We love seeing the peoples and doing the things and rocking out with our socks out. Usually I say something else, but let's go in here to this creamy center. Actually, yeah, I'll start there and put that in the crease. It is a beautiful nude color. It has a little bit of kick up in the pan, but nothing terrible. It is just a nice warm nude color. I'm going to go into this little bit of darker nude color. It's got a creamy taupe color. I'm going to build that up a little more because that is a kick-ass color. It's going to set the tone for the rest of the look. Oh, it looks heavy-handed. It's just pigmented, Rhonda. That's all. Don't be afraid. It's only makeup. If you don't like it, you can wipe it right off. So I'm doing that. And then I'm going to go into another color. I'm going to go into this beautiful rosy color. It's a shimmer. So I'm going to make sure to get plenty of that on ye old brush. It is beautiful. It's a good thing I packed it on, because it's not showing, it's not coming off. You know, if I use my finger, it would be fantastic. But I'm trying to use a brush to get a little softer application. That looks good. A pretty rosy color. A little something to keep the mind at ease. All right, so let's go back and do that a little more. And we still have so many more colors out of this 9-pan to use. I'm going to go into this shimmer here with my finger and do the inner corner. It's not giving me as much payoff as I think it used to. I've had this palette for a minute. But it's very pretty. Let's try it on the other side. It is beautiful, but not exactly what I was looking for. This is going to be a different look than I planned on. But that's okay, because we're flying by the seat of our pants. Let's see. Let's go in to this purple here with my finger. I'm gonna put that in the center. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty princess. The phrase that you need to win, to be entered to win, you have to enter me and the phrase. I'd buy that for $1. So enter me, I'd buy that for $1 is the magic words to get entered into the contest. Let's see. But please watch till the end to see if I pull off a look or not, because this is not looking great. I'm going to get a fluffy brush and blend and blend and blend. I'm not loving this look. It's looking like this is not a purple palette that I need, because it is not giving me any of the payoff that I want. So this is going to go on the Macari. Let's do some eyeliner and see if we can save the look. Alrighty, and this is a Stay All Day eyeliner. It makes it look better, but overall it's not a great look. Will it have to do? Yes, it will have to do. It's not terrible, really. It's just not as good as it could be. So I'm going to do a little mascara with my It Superhero Mascara. I used this when I was on vacay, and it really reminded me of how great a mascara this is. This is just a little trial size. It's really delivering some long lashes, which is important with my stumpy lashes that I have. My lashes suffer because I used to get eyelash extensions, and it really did a number on my lashes. Alrighty, so I'm just moving right along, and I do need to take care of a little smudge. So my handy dandy Q-tip or cotton swab, because these are not name brand, I don't think. Magical. Magical. A little more eyeshadow there. And now we're ready for a lip. I'm going to go with a nude lip, which is number 65 from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And this is Seductress. All right, beautiful. I've got a look. I didn't have one when I started, and now I have one. Not my favorite, but that's all right. Now, as far as the contest goes, you have to be 18 or over. You have to have a U.S. mailing address. You need to follow the rules that I will have printed down below. You can enter once, twice, 3 times, lady. Once is enough. I will be glad to give it out to one person, and it will be superb, and you all will love it very much. So with that, I will thank you very much for watching my video today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Oh, and it'll be 1 week from today when the drawing will happen. Thank you. Good night.